Hi, it's time that I talk to you about the app that I've been telling you about for the last couple of weeks, and it's all about your phone and the data that you're collecting on your phone with all those apps that you have on your phone. And as you can see on the screen here, you can tell Facebook, they're collecting a lot of information on you, and Amazon, they're going to give you $10 so that they can collect all this data. That's $10 one time, and the data collection industry is a $250 billion market. All right, that's all data that's getting collected on your phone. Because if you have any kind of apps on your phone, they're collecting this data. Okay, now, and they're selling it. They're collecting it and selling it. You're not getting a dime from it. All right, so that's the first thing you got to understand. This is all about the data that's getting collected on your phone already. You're not making a dime from it. They're collecting it, selling it, profiting from it. You don't make anything. Well, what I have for you today is a solution. Okay? This is the app that I've been talking to you about. And what they're doing is they're gonna anonymously, everything with this app is anonymous. Okay? Because all these other apps are collecting your data and they're getting that information, and for all you know, it has your name attached to it. This doesn't. It's all anonymous data. They don't even know where you live because it starts as soon as you leave your house and you start to travel, because they're getting points of interest data. So it's like if you go to the grocery store, you go to a gym, you go, I don't know, anywhere you go to some place for dinner. Okay, so those are all data points, and they're collecting those data points. And as far as this app goes, I gotta tell you about its privacy. It is up here as far as the privacy goes, because they're transparent about everything. They are telling you what they're getting, how they're getting it, and the fact that it is 100% anonymous data. They don't have your name isn't attached to it all. And now it doesn't even know where your home base is. It starts collecting your data once you start traveling and you pass certain things, and it knows how long you're in, say, Costco or BJ's or whatever store you go to shop. So they're collecting all that data, and they're going to turn around and pay you for that data. And I haven't gotten to the point now where you're going to start making money from this. I just wanted to explain to you about the data on your phone that you're already giving away. Even if you say you're not, you're giving it away if you have fantasy football, a shopping channel app on your phone, or a weather app, a travel app, any apps you have on their phone, they're collecting your data in the background. That's a given, you know that, but we'll just trust me, they are collecting that data. Okay? So, what I want to tell you is how we are different. Everybody else, they're having you do surveys and doing all this stuff. You're taking surveys to get something one time, and they're collecting your data. Well, that's not what this app is about. And you can see here on the screen, it explains it a lot better on here. So I'll let you read that here for a second. But what the part of it is, I want to get to the free part of this app. Now, the app, just for downloading the app and having it run in the background, where it's going to figure out how much battery you use, and you're not even going to have hardly any battery usage from this app, and it's just going to sit there in the background collecting this data. They're going to pay you anywhere from $5 to $25 a month just to have that app on your phone. So right there, you got potential to make anywhere from $65 to $100 something bucks a year. That's not bad. I think it's $300. But anywhere from $5 to $25 a month just to have the app on your phone. Now, here's where it gets really, really good. Say you have 10 friends, you share this free app. Just download that free app, you share it with 10 of your friends. Now, you're going to make $1 a month from each one of those friends as long as they're active on the app. Okay? So, say that's $10 a month plus that $5 to $25. Okay, that's all potential income if you do what you got to do to share it with people. Now imagine you have 100 friends. That's an extra $100 a month for every person you share that downloads the app for free and they stay active. So right there, free app that's going to pay you $5 to $25 a month plus $1 a month for everyone that you share it to. Okay, that's a great deal, isn't it? Well, I'm about to show you how it gets really good. And this is the Tapestri affiliate program. Okay, because you have right here, you got the free app user, and that's the one where you get paid for your data and your tier 1. So that's one where you get the $5 to $25 a month and $1 a month for each person you share the app with that downloads it and they stay active. Now, this is where it gets pretty awesome. The active affiliate, who is the paid, we'll get to the paid part of it here in a second. Okay, that's where you get paid for everyone that you share it with. Okay, you get paid that $1 for everyone you share it with, and anybody that they share it with that downloads the app, you get paid $1 a month for all of them. Alright, that's pretty amazing. So there's 2 tiers of $1. So say you have your 10, there's your $10 a month. Each one of those 10 shares it with 10. So now you're at your $5 to $25 a month plus your $10 for your tier 1 and your $100 for tier 2. I'm going to let you do the math on that. Okay? And now, if you become an active affiliate, you get access to the back office where you'll get pre-built landing pages, marketing material, and the tools and support you will need to help you build it even quicker. So, like I said, you have the free plan and we have the paid plan, and I haven't gotten into the paid plan yet. I'm going to get into that right now. But let me explain it a little bit more. This is where it's really explained into you in the diagram, and you can see this is you, and then say you've got those people that you refer, those are your tier 1s, you're going to make $1 from every one of them. And here it's explained really good, better than I could have ever done, but hey, I tried. Anyway, so this is where you see you're going to get this $1 and then here. So you're getting 10 and an additional 13 because they referred 13 people. Yeah, I did 10 and 10, but and now with the super affiliate, okay, now this is where it gets even better. Okay, this is where, say, I get 10 people that sign up to be affiliates under me. Okay, that's these 10 people sign up to become affiliates, and then I become a super affiliate. And this is where it gets amazing with this, because that's it. Anybody with 10 active users or more, then you're a super and affiliate. You get the 50% matching bonus. And I think I'm going to say it, they get big numbers here. So anyways, just say you get 10 people that sign up. As you can see right here, they're going to explain it to you better than I can. You get 10 people, and of those 10, you get 15 people that referred. You get 15 sales underneath it. So you get 10 on tier 1, and you earn $100 in commission. Say 10 tier 1, they all earn $100, right? So all your tier 1 people earn $100. Your commission on that is $50. So that's 50 times 10. Tier 1. Tier 1. That's just a commission. Okay. You're still making your $5 a month, $5 to $25 a month, and you're still making your $1 for them for being active. This is just your bonus you get for them when they earn money. And then you go to tier 2, where there's 15 people on tier 2, and say they all earn 50 bucks. Doesn't seem like good. Oh, they're making 100, they only do 50, but you're still getting a 50% bonus on that. So that's 25 times that. So there's that monthly. So now you need to add all this together with these other numbers. Now you can see where the affiliate is the best way to go. But like anything else, you got to work to it. You got to work to do it. It's not going to be easy. You got to just share the app, and there's no guarantees you're going to make all this money. The only guarantee is you download the app, you share it, you're going to get the money if they share it. They got to download it. You just got to get the people to sign up, and they help you with that. There's plenty of training on the Tapestri website and Facebook page that's going to help you out. Now, you can also do it in other countries. This is definitely worldwide. Right now it's just going to be launching in the United States here in the next couple of days. And if you live in other countries, you can still join. You can still join and share it with people here in the States, and you're going to make that money from them, and once it becomes available in your country, then you can make even more money. And yes, and here's the glossary of the stuff. But main thing I needed to tell you is the cost. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to go back here. I want to tell you, the data scaled. But what you need to know is you can get in for $9.95. $9.95 right now. The app is literally launching probably today, definitely this week. And when it launches, then it's gonna become a monthly fee. You get in now, you get it for $9.95 for the next 13 months, and you're gonna be grandfathered in. That $9.95 is gonna be locked in for 2 years. So you're gonna have it $9.95 for just the first year, and then after that you're locked in for 2 years at that price. Not going to go up. You're going to save $119 in the first year because you're going to just pay the one time to become an affiliate, pay that one time, then the other 13 months are free. That's right. They're going to give you an extra 13 months because it's going to start, and then they'll explain that all on here on the website how it works. But just for $9.95, that's right, $9.95 to become an affiliate, one-time fee. Then you're going to get access to the back office and all the material to promote it. Because if you get in now, you can get in now and start promoting tonight. You can be like me and getting people in and become a super affiliate like that. So what you need to do is take action and check out this amazing app. And I'm going to have the link in the description, and I'm going to put a barcode here for you to scan. You can either get in for free or you can do the paid route. Either way, it's going to pay you $5 to $25 a month just to have that app on your phone, and it's all 100% anonymous data. They don't even know where you live. They don't know your name. They're just collecting data that you're already giving away for free to all those other people. When you look at your phone, you tell me how many apps you have on your phone, and every one of those is collecting your data and making money off you. So it's almost a no-brainer, but you need to think about it. Don't let it take too long, because I'm telling you, this offer is only available for a short time. So you need to take action today. Click the link that I have in the description, or I'm going to have it right here. I'm going to have it pop up right below me how you can get there, okay? Alright, so this is Jerry from KS Global Media, and I want to make sure you take action today. This is going to change the way you do everything moving forward. It's almost like 3 months.